Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 10. We are getting there to the end of the semester. This module, we're continuing with the topic of the AR verbs and the yes/no questions. So just make sure that you go over the materials for that. And we do have some information here that says upcoming assignment, final project. So another disclaimer, I do not want you to actually start working on the final project yet because we have not finished all the topics that you need to include on the final project. I just want you to start thinking about the final project because it is going to be a video assignment. You need to find somebody to work with, and you don't want it to get to be like week 14, 15, and you're like, I have no idea who I can film this video with. So start thinking about it now, read the information about it, watch the video explaining it. And again, don't start working on it because we have at least 2 more topics that we need to cover that need to be on that. But just start thinking so we're not surprised at the end. Okay, so for the assignments, we have our homework packet. Again, it's homework packet 8 because we skipped 2 weeks of homework packets during the field specific project. We have discussion board about folk remedies. Some of you mentioned this in early discussion boards, so this is a really interesting topic, a really important topic. So make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday. And then we have our speaking assignment and quiz like always. So let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.